Hello everyone. Stuttering, a speech disorder that affects the fluency of speech, has long been a subject of fascination and misconception. While our understanding of the condition has evolved significantly, one of the most enduring myths about stuttering is that it can be triggered or worsened by criticism. In this video, we'll discuss the many possible causes of stuttering and learn about a controversial experiment from 1939 with quite surprising results. First of all, welcome to our channel, The Research Mind, where we share new and bizarre discoveries in every video. Now, let's get back to today's story, which is about misconceptions related to stuttering. Stuttering is a complex and multifactorial condition with various possible causes. It often runs in families and can be influenced by genetic components in the language centers of the brain. Brain injuries, such as strokes or trauma, can also be causes of stammering. Additionally, many children may stutter when they start speaking, but eventually, they outgrow it with time. In rare cases, stammering can be associated with emotional trauma. However, one thing that doesn't cause it is criticism. In 1939, Mary Tudor, a graduate student at the University of Iowa, along with her faculty advisor, speech expert Wendell Johnson, conducted an experiment that sought to prove that stuttering could be taught through negative reinforcement. Over 4 months, 22 orphan children were told they would be receiving speech therapy, but instead, they became subjects in a stuttering experiment. Shockingly, none of the children received actual speech therapy, and only about half of them were genuine stutterers. 22 children were divided into 4 groups. The first group, which had half of the stuttering children, was given negative feedback. The second group, which had the other half of stuttering children, received positive feedback. The third group, which had half of the non-stuttering children, was falsely told that they were beginning to stutter and were criticized. The fourth and final group, which had the remaining non-stuttering children, were praised. The results of the experiment were eye-opening. The only group significantly impacted by the experiment was the third group, those non-stuttering children who were falsely criticized and told they were beginning to stutter. However, these children had never stuttered before, but their self-esteem was greatly affected, and they started exhibiting stuttering behavior. On the other hand, those who actually stuttered, no matter what kind of feedback they received, did not stop stuttering. While the experiment from 1939 had significant ethical issues and failed to prove its hypothesis, it did highlight the power of perception and self-esteem. Today, we understand that stuttering has a complex set of causes, none of which include criticism as a primary trigger. Stuttering is a condition influenced by genetics, brain function, and various environmental factors. By debunking these myths, we can pave the way for a more compassionate and understanding approach to support individuals who stutter. That's all for today, but stay connected with The Research Mind channel for updates on strange science experiments and technology. Thanks for watching.